In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you have Google Chrome already installed, but every time you open an external link, it goes to Microsoft Edge or Opera, anything but Chrome. So all you want to do to make Chrome your for sure definitive default browser is go to your settings. So I'm just going to search up settings. Then it's going to look something like this, and all you want to do is go to apps on the left and then go ahead and click on the third option, which is default apps. You're going to see a lot over here, but all you want to do is just search Chrome as so, then press that little search button. If it can't find it over there, you search apps right here as well. Then once you find Chrome, just go ahead and click on it. Then all you want to do is make Google Chrome your default browser and set default. Then you're going to see that little check mark, and anytime you open anything, it's going to be via Google Chrome. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.